So we're back with another episode of Obsessed Ownership. This is our 2012 Volvo XC70. We've done 5 previous videos. If you hadn't checked those out, go ahead and see us Revive Auto Detailing on YouTube. But now it's time for the winter wheel changeover. And whenever I do that, I have an opportunity to get inside the fender wells. So we did a full exterior detail on the vehicle, hand wash, clean and shine these tires. We also went a little bit further on these because they are going in storage for, 9 months probably. We went and did a deep clean on these, not just on the faces like you can get, but because we've got them off the vehicle, we can do the backside of them. And then I put a sealant on these. So these are, I believe, the original wheels, so they'll have 166,000 miles on them. They held up really well. They're not perfect, but when we are going to put them in storage, we want to make sure we get any of the corrosive stuff off of the vehicle and then simply put a sealant on there to give it an added layer of protection. Probably unnecessary, being it's going to be sitting in a garage for the next 9 months, but I always want to be sure that I've gotten everything off of there and put a little bit of protection on it in case anything does happen to them. But as I was mentioning, when we had the wheels off to put the summer tires on, we went to great lengths to go ahead and clean inside here. So both spraying inside there with a degreaser to knock any of the grease off, and then going after it with an iron decontamination on the metal surfaces. That gets any iron deposits that have attached themselves to the metal on the vehicle off of it. Again, getting more of the caustic stuff that might attach itself to the vehicle off so that we have a vehicle that's going to be clean and last as long as possible. If you want more details on how to take great care of your car, especially the winter to spring transition, reach out to us here at Revive. We'd love to talk about that.